have hatched a conspiracy against me and registered an FIR that they will be filing a case against them also. And now they are telling FIR is registered against you for extortion. We have a recording that he called me on 4th that I was there, and he called Dominic. Dominic told me, Baba, to आपले ऐकचो ना, and it is there. He said that आपल्याक help कर, and he offered us money. We said no. You can hear the conversation which is given to the police also. But this is a serious trend which is going, which is very harmful for the state of Goa. Mr. Pokre and Gaurish Malik connived with the accused and registered an FIR before I could reach there. But he was given a VIP treatment, made to sit inside on a MLA and a minister's call, and FIR was registered against me and Dominic, saying that we asked money and I assaulted him. When the order itself was 4th, I got all the order to the High Court. I had gone to serve there because there was a truck coming there. And when the order was uploaded on 8th, he didn't know. They didn't know. Even the police didn't know they are respondents here. They should have brought this matter to Honorable High Court because they were resistant. Till today, they have not registered our single FIR which are there in the petition itself. If this is the state of a person like me, what will happen to a common person? I don't know what is done, but yes, सगळे रेडी करून म्हाका थंय मारला आणि रेडी करून ताका थंय हाडून बसयला हे कितें?
तुझी कंप्लेन जाऊन
म्हणजे आता दिली ना रिटर्न जाऊन रजिस्टर केल्यार म्हाका खबर ना. हे तुका सांगता ना रे बाबा की केन्ना तुवें खंयची पोलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेन केली जाल्यार तुका केन्ना दितात? तूं करना ते, पूण हे पळय मरे गुंडाची रोखडी केली मरे हायकोर्टान हे आसतना तो रिस्पॉन्डंट